Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw watermark-free exports with Vimeo permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw watermark-free exports with Vimeo permissions, first, ensure you have a Vimeo account. Log in to your Vimeo account using your credentials. Navigate to the video you wish to export without a watermark. Check if you have the proper permissions to withdraw the export. If you are the video owner, continue to the next step. If not, request access from the owner through Vimeo. Once you have confirmed your permissions, locate the download button under your video. Click on the download button to see available versions of your video. Select the highest resolution version available that suits your needs. Before exporting, review the settings for any additional options. Ensure that the option for watermark-free export is selected. After confirming your settings, click the Download or Export button. Wait for Vimeo to process your request, which may take a few minutes. Once processing is complete, you will be prompted to download the file. Click the download link to save the video to your device. Verify that the downloaded file is in high quality and free of watermarks. You have now successfully withdrawn a watermark-free export with Vimeo permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.